Cypress Wetlands, Port Royal, South Carolina. 2022 water wading birds breeding season. Cypress Wetlands, Port Royal, South Carolina. 2022 water wading birds breeding season. Cypress Wetlands, Port Royal, South Carolina. 2022 water wading birds breeding season. Anhingas and snowy egrets set up a mixed colony on a shrub in the middle of the lagoon. Snowy egrets are taking up positions at the lower end of the shrub. When the leaves come out on the shrubs, the snowy egrets will build their nest under the cover of the shrub's canopy. The male collects nearly all the nesting material, and the female then finishes building. The nest is a bulky platform of sticks, somewhat more compact than heron nests. The Anhinga typically nests in loose groups of pairs, and sometimes with other colonial waterbirds. The nest is usually in a tree near to water or overhanging it. These Anhinga are ready to fertilize some eggs. Anhinga nesting facts. Clutch size, 2 to 5 eggs. Number of broods, 1 brood. Incubation period, 26 to 30 days. Nestling period, 14 to 21 days. Egg description, conspicuously pointed at one end, pale bluish green, and overlaid with a chalky coating. Condition at hatching, naked, with eyes open. Multiple pairs of Anhinga will nest in a single tree, joined by other water-wading birds. To make for crowded, bustling colony of young birds in the summer. Anhinga incubates its eggs, for 26 to 30 days.
Back here.
Multiple pairs of Anhinga will nest in a single tree, joined by other water-wading birds, to make for a crowded, bustling colony of young birds in the summer. A male great egret getting nest material with hope of attracting a mate. Great egrets trying to make a love connection. Great egrets have yellow beak and black feet. Snowy egrets have yellow feet and black beak. Snowy egrets have yellow feet and black beak. Great egrets have yellow beak and black feet. The males performs most of the displays, which can involve flying circles around the rookery. Cypress Wetlands, Port Royal, South Carolina. 2022 water wading birds breeding season. Cypress Wetlands, Port Royal, South Carolina. 2022 water wading birds breeding season. Cypress Wetlands, Port Royal, South Carolina. 2022 water wading birds breeding season.